Hey there, welcome back to Burn and Bite, your go to channel where we break down the science behind what we eat and how it shapes our body. If you are into clean eating, fitness friendly recipes, or just want to know how to fuel your workouts the smart way, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into something that often gets overlooked in fitness circles. But trust me, it deserves a front row seat in your kitchen. I am talking about pumpkin. Yep, not just a Halloween decoration or the base for your grandma's pie, but a powerhouse when it comes to fiber, fat burning, and clean, nutrient dense eating. So grab your shaker bottle, get comfy, and let's unpack this golden orange gem that might just be your new secret weapon in your fat loss or muscle building journey. Now, before we start throwing pumpkin into every smoothie or post workout bowl, let's take a step back. What even is pumpkin, botanically and historically? Pumpkin belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, which includes squashes, cucumbers, and melons. It is technically a fruit, but in the kitchen, we mostly treat it like a vegetable. It has been grown for over 7,500 years, with origin traced back to Central America. Places like Mexico and parts of the southern US, Native Americans used pumpkin for everything from food to medicine, even drying strips to wave mats. Fast forward to today, pumpkin is everywhere, but here's the twist. While it is all the rage every fall in letters and pies, it is barely talked about in the fitness world. That is surprising considering how nutrient packed and macro friendly it really is. It was not until the rise of clean eating trends and superfood hunting that pumpkin started catching the eye of fitness coaches, meal prep pros, and dietitians. And it is about time, honestly. Let's break down. Imagine you are doing everything right, hitting the gym, drinking your water, getting your protein in, but your meal feel heavy, your digestion sluggish, and the fat loss has fluctuated. That is where pumpkin swoops in like an underrated sidekick. For starters, pumpkin is incredibly low in calories but high in volume. One cup of cooked pumpkin has around 49 calories and you get about 3 grams of fiber. Not bad, right? But it is not just about the fiber count, it is that kind of fiber. Pumpkin is rich in soluble fiber, which slows digestion, keeps you full longer, and helps stabilize blood sugar. That means fewer cravings, better portion control, and more energy throughout the day, especially during fat loss phases. And speaking of energy, pumpkin is packed with vitamin A in the form of beta carotene. That is not just good for your eyes but also a strong antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress, something that happens big time after intense workouts. Ever finished a brutal leg day and felt like your immune system got hit by a truck? That is inflammation, and pumpkin has compounds that calm it down. So we have got fiber, satiety, low calories, and immune support. Check, 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 and check. Alright, let's talk fat burning, the real reason most of us are here. Now, no food magically melts fat, but foods like pumpkin support the process by optimizing digestion, keeping insulin levels stable, and reducing overall calorie intake without making you feel like you are starving. And that's magic. Pumpkin helps create a caloric deficit in a way that feels sustainable. Think of it like this: if fat loss is the bonfire, pumpkin is the wind that keeps it burning longer without throwing in toxic smoke. Let's compare pumpkin to a starchy carb like white rice. 1 cup of white rice, around 200 calories, very little fiber. 1 cup of pumpkin, like I said, just 49 calories, but it fills the plate the same way. You get the bulk, the nutrients, and the fullness without the crash. This makes pumpkin ideal for cutting phases, intermittent fasting windows, or late night meals when you want volume without guilt. And because it is versatile, you can roast it, mash it, blend it into protein shakes, or even bake it into healthy muffins. It fits into almost any meal plan. But what if you are not cutting? What if you are trying to build muscle or focus on performance? Well, pumpkin is still your friend. Muscle recovery is not just about protein, it is about managing inflammation, replenishing glycogen, and supporting your body's repair system. Pumpkin has potassium, even more than a banana, which is crucial for preventing cramps and supporting muscle function post workout. Plus, the antioxidants in pumpkin, beta carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, they all reduce cell damage and improve recovery speed. That means you bounce back faster, train harder, and grow stronger. Let me give you an analogy. Think of your muscles as a construction site. Protein is the building material. Sure, but pumpkin, it is the cleanup crew, the scaffolding, the workers who make sure the building gets finished faster and stronger. And when it comes to clean eating, pumpkin is like the golden child. It is whole, natural, unprocessed, and rich in micronutrients most of us don't even track, like manganese and copper. So, whether you are eating clean to lean out or just trying to nourish your body better, pumpkin keeps your plate colorful and your goals intact. Now, no food is perfect, not even pumpkin. If you go too hard on pumpkin, especially canned varieties, you might overdo it on vitamin A, which it excesses can cause dizziness or nausea. But that is only if you are eating like multiple cups a day, every single day. Also, flavored pumpkin products like pumpkin spice yogurt or protein bars often come loaded with added sugar. So, if you are eating pumpkin thinking it is healthy, check the label. A lot of times you are getting more sugar than squash. One more thing. Some people with sensitive digestion might experience bloating if they suddenly added too much fiber from pumpkin. So start slow. See how your body reacts and build from there. But in general, the pros overweigh the cons by a mile. Okay, let's get practical. How do you actually use pumpkin in your fitness meal plan? One of my favorite ways is to mix pureed pumpkin into my morning oats. It gives this creamy texture, add fiber, and with a little cinnamon and protein powder. Tastes like dessert. Post workout, try a pumpkin smoothie. Blend canned pumpkin with banana, almond milk, cinnamon, and a scoop of vanilla, whey protein. It tastes like a pie but fuels your recovery. You can also toast it. Just chop fresh pumpkin, toss it with the olive oil, paprika, and garlic, and throw it in the oven. Great as a side dish, or even throw into salads or wraps. And don't throw out the seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. They are perfect as a crunchy snack or salad topper. Just watch your portions because they are calorie dense. So, there you have it. Pumpkin is not just a fall favorite or Halloween decoration, it is a high fiber, fat burning, clean eating powerhouse that deserves a permanent spot in your fitness lifestyle. Next time you are planning meals, ask yourself, Where can I add pumpkin to boost volume and flavor without adding junk? You will be surprised how easily it fits in. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, you will not want to miss this next week's episode where we unpack chia seeds, another underrated superfood that is tiny but mighty when it comes to weight loss and performance. Until then, keep lifting smart, eating clean, and fueling your goals one bite at a time.